their parents. Grandmother will come, grandfather will come. Okay, grandmother will come, grandfather will come, and granduncle, grandaunt. Your below generation. Your below generation will, who will come into the picture? Your below generation. You know, your son will come, your daughter will come, your niece will come, your nephew will come. Okay. If your daughter get married, okay, so son-in-law will come. Okay, if your son get married, your daughter-in-law will come into the picture. Below their generation, who will come? Grandson will come, granddaughter will also come into the picture. Okay, so these type of generations will come. You know, you have to be very careful while solving the blood relations questions. Okay, you know, type 1 questions, you know, questions, the relationship between two people is given through a, you know, roundabout a way of relating them through other people. We have to go through the series of relationships and finally determine the question. The relationships can be given as a simple statement or a statement made by a person. Okay, you know, someone is going to tell, you know, there are few examples, you know, we can see, you know, someone is going to tell, or, you know, we'll see with the examples, we will understand what is Look at question number 1. Please write down question number 1. Please write down question number 1. Yeah. A's father's mother-in-law's only daughter's son is B. Okay, A's father's mother-in-law's only daughter's son is B. Okay, son is B. How is A related to B? How is A related to B? Okay, how is A related to B? Okay, how is A related to B? So if you look at the question, A's father, okay, A's father, you know, there is a person A, you know, A father will be, you know, this person is A's father, you know, some X father means above generation. Okay, above generation. And A's father's mother-in-law means what? You know, let's say A's mother is Y. Okay, so A's mother is Y. This is an assumption. Okay, and X, you know, mother-in-law means what can I say? A's grandmother. Okay, A's grandmother, let's say Z. Let's say Z. So can I say this particular woman is the mother of A's mother? Okay, only daughters. Okay, only daughter, according to the assumption, only daughter is what? Y. Okay, and her son is what? B. Okay, B. What is the question? Yeah, how is A related to B? Okay, how is A related to B? Yeah, please hang on. A is male or female? I don't know. Okay, then how you can make a relation? I can say A and B are what? Siblings. But you know, if the options are like this, option number 1 brother, option number 2 sister, option number 3 nephew, option number 4 niece. Okay, niece. Option number 5 cannot be determined. Yes, I cannot say my answer because why I cannot say my answer? Because if A is female, how is A related to B? So sister. If A is male, how is A related to B? Brother. So I don't know brother or sister, so I cannot say. So the point here is this. Yeah, without knowing A's gender, I cannot say my answer. So answer for this question is what? Cannot be determined. So A can be either brother or sister. Okay, so answer for this question is what, guys? Cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. Okay, cannot be determined. Next question. Question number 2. Next question. If A's father is B, if A's father is B, okay, write down a question. A's father is B, C is the father of B and D, C is the father of B, and D is A's mother, and D is A's mother, then how is C related to D? How is C related to D? Your options are father, grandfather, father-in-law, uncle, nephew. Uncle, nephew. Point number 1. A's father is B. A father is B. So B is male. C is the father of B. C is the father of B. Okay, C is the father of B. So I can say the relation between C and A is grandfather relation. Okay, C is the father of B. Okay, next. D is A's mother. D is A's mother. Okay, D is A's mother. So I can say B and D are husband and wife. Okay, wife. Okay, wife. Then what is the question? How is C related to D? How is C related to D? Your husband father, your spouse father is what? Your father-in-law. Okay, father-in-law. Are you getting my point? So answer for this question is what? Father-in-law. So are you observing? Are you observing here? Yeah, the generation, same generation people should be in the same line. Above generation who are elders to you, who are elders, they should be, above that particular person. So whenever you are solving blood relations questions, these points are very, very important while solving the questions. Okay. So these points are very, very important. Okay, very, very important. Next question number 3. Next question. Please write down. Next question. A person who is the husband of my son's sister is my. A person who is the husband of my son's sister is my. Okay, your options are nephew, son-in-law, son, brother, father. Yeah, always remember a person who. Okay, a person, there is a person X who means this particular person. So who is the husband of my son's sister? My son. My son is whom I don't know. So my son is, let's say, Z. Okay, my son. My son's daughter is, my son's daughter is Y. My son's daughter is what? My son's sister, I am sorry. My son's sister is what? Y. The sister husband is only X. The sister husband is only X. Y, Z, X are my assumptions. Okay, my assumptions. You may be anything. You may be male or female. It doesn't matter. Okay, so my son's sister. Okay, sister, husband. So here husband and wife relation. Okay, so what is the question? Sister is my, that husband is my. So Your daughter's husband is your what? Son-in-law. Is your what? Son-in-law. Is your what? Son-in-law. Okay, son-in-law. Son-in-law. Next. Next question. Next question. Please write down. Please write down. How is my father's mother's only daughter-in-law sister related to me? Your options are aunt, sister, cousin, niece, mother. Okay. How is my father's? So you are their ex. Okay. Your father is Y. Okay. Your father's mother's. Your mother is Z. Okay. Your father's mother is what? Z. Okay. Only daughter-in-law. So only daughter-in-law means what? Wife's wife. Yes or no? So let's say A. Only daughter-in-law. Only daughter-in-law sister. Only daughter-in-law sister. Okay. Here husband and wife relation. So A's sister is whom? B. Okay. Sister related to me. Okay. Related to how is my father's mother. Okay. 1 minute. How is my father's mother's only daughter-in-law sister related to me? Yes. So your parents, your mother's sister only, no? So your mother's sister is related to you what? And it may be you may be male or female, it doesn't matter. But according to you, your mother's sister, okay, your mother's sister is going to be your what? Aunt. Yes or no? Your mother's sister is going to be what? Your aunt. Okay. Are you getting my point? Okay. So your mother's sister is going to be your what, guys? Aunt. Okay. Aunt. Next question. Next question. Please write down. How is my grandmother's only child's husband's mother related to me? Your options are mother, grandmother, aunt, sister, cousin. Okay, look at the question. How is my grandfather? So myself, I am assuming X. My grandmother's means there are two generations. It may be your mother's mother or your father's mother. Okay, grandmother. Let's say your grandmother is Y. Okay, grandmother's only child's. Okay, only child, let's say Z. Okay, only child, I don't know male or female, but only child's husband's. Okay, only child's husband, again saying. So only child's husband means definitely Z is female, then only her husband, let's say A. It may be anything. Okay, A. Husband's mother. Okay, mother means what? Minus. Okay, yeah, related to me. So simple. Your father's mother is asking. So your father's mother is what, guys? Grandmother. Yes or no? Your father's mother is going to be your grandmother. 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 Okay. Next question. Next question, guys. Next question. Okay. Your next question goes like this. Right now. How is Ram's How is Ram's mother-in-law's only daughter's son related to Ram? I am repeating. How is Ram's mother-in-law's only daughter son related to Ram? Your options are nephew, brother, son, uncle, father. Okay. Point number 1. Ramu, male or female, I don't know. So don't decide first. So Ram, mother-in-law. So Ram may be. So Ram's spouse, I don't know. Parent. Okay. Ram's. So mother-in-law. So I can say this person is Ram's mother-in-law. Ram's mother-in-law. Only child's husband. Okay, only child's husband. So I can say now Ram's wife. When I can say Ram's wife means Ramu is male. Okay, Ramu is male. Daughter's son. Obviously, whom son this fellow? Ramu's son. Yes or no? Ramu's son. So answer for this question is what? Son. Pretty easy one. Okay, pretty easy one. Next question. Write down. How is my son's mother's daughter related to me? Okay. I'm repeating. How is my son's mother's daughter related to me? Your options are niece, granddaughter, daughter, aunt, mother. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You are there. Okay. You are there. Your ex. You are there. Your son is there. Why? Okay. So male, and that fellow son is there. Z. Okay. Your son's mother. So this fellow's mother means wife. So let's say a wife. Okay, wife. And he's saying what? Daughter. Let's say B. So now here the relation is what? Siblings, brother and sister relation. Okay, brother and sister relation. Okay, brother and sister relation. So he's asking how we know this girl related to me. According to you, there are how many generations gap? There are 2 generations gap. Yes or no? So the question is what? Finally, how is my son's mother's daughter related to me? Okay, she is related to you what? Granddaughter only, no? So answer for this question is what? Granddaughter. Okay, granddaughter. Okay, so answer for this question is what, guys? Granddaughter. Okay, granddaughter. Next. Write down. Next. Please write down. Next question. A is the father of B. C is the son of D. E is the brother of C. While D is the sister of B. How is B related to E? Your options are uncle, aunt, mother, father, either A or B. Okay, Let's try to solve it. A is the father of B. A is father of whom B, but I don't know B gender. Okay, I know the relation between A and B is what? Father and child relation. C is the son of D. Okay, C is the son of D. But I don't know relation between, so is there any connecting point? Look at there. E is the brother of C, while D is the sister of B. Guys, he's saying D is the sister. Wait a minute. A is the father of B. No, we are doing a mistake. A is the father of whom B. Okay. C is the son of D. Keep aside. E is the brother of C. Okay. While D is the sister of B. D is the sister. Okay. What is the relation here? Sister of whom B. Okay. But go to that point. C is the son of D. C is the son. C is the son of D. Okay. And E is the brother of C. E is the brother of C. E is the brother of C. I can say C and E are children of D. Okay. Next, how is B related to E? Yeah, how is B related to E? Yeah, nice question. How is B related to E? Look at here. Your mother's brother is there. Then your answer is what? Uncle. Your mother's sister is there. Then your answer is what? Aunt. Yes or no? So that's why your answer is what? Either A or B. Either A or B. Because I don't know what is the relationship. I don't know the gender of B. So you cannot decide. Okay? You cannot decide. So be careful while solving these type of questions. Okay? While solving, these type of questions. Okay? Next. Write down. Okay? A is B's father. B is C's daughter. E is D's only sibling. C is D's only daughter. How is B related to E's niece? How is B related to E's niece? Okay, your options are A, niece. Okay, A, niece. Granddaughter, daughter, mother, none of this. Mother, none of this. Okay, now let's try to solve this question. Okay, let's try to solve this question. Please go through the question. What is saying? A is B's father. Okay, A is B's father. Okay, A is B's father. Okay, B is C's daughter. B is C's daughter. Okay, B is whom's daughter? C. Means A and C are husband and wife. Okay, A and C are what? Husband and wife. Okay, next. E is D's only sibling. E is D's only sibling. So E and D are siblings. Okay, but I don't know who is male, who is female. Next, look at here. C is the D's only daughter. C is the D's only daughter. Okay, C is the D's only daughter. D and E are what siblings? D and E are what siblings? I don't know D and E's gender. Okay, but they are what siblings? Okay, they are what guys? Siblings. Siblings. Okay. Now, what is the question? How is B related to? How is B related to? B related to E's niece. Okay, see, look at here. So definitely I can say E's brother or sister's daughter only C. So who is E's niece? Is, please don't confuse with the wording. Niece is what? Okay, who is E's niece? That is C. Okay, C's daughter only B. No, C's daughter only B. Yes or no? So C's daughter only B. So answer for this question is what, guys? Yeah, answer for this question is what? Daughter. Okay, daughter. Next question. Please write down next question. How is my mother's only son-in-law's sister related to me? Your options are mother-in-law, sister, aunt, mother, cousin. Okay, so how is my, your ex, your mother is, let's say, Y, female. Mother, her mother, let's say Z, she is also female. Okay, only son-in-law means what? Your father is A. Here the relation is what? Father. Okay, husband and wife. Okay, who is that fellow? A. Your father's sister, let's say B. Okay, your father's sister, let's say what? B. Related to you. Your father's sister related to you what? Aunt. Yes or no? So answer for this question is what, guys? Aunt. Let's go to the next question. Pointing to a person, Raju said, he is the only brother of my father's mother's daughter. How is the person related to Raju? Your options are brother, father, uncle, nephew, son. As if you look at the question, Raju's father's mother's daughter is Raju's father's sister. Yes or no? So now Raju's father's sister's only brother is Raju's father. Obviously, hence the person is what? Obviously Raju's father. Okay, so he's creating here, he's telling about Raju's aunt and Raju's father and relation between those two persons. Okay, so the point is what? He is the only brother of my father's mother's daughter. Okay, so Raju said he is the only brother of my father's mother's daughter. Okay, so means what? Raju's father's mother's daughter is what? Raju's father's sister. Means what? Raju's aunt. Okay, so Raju's father's sister's only brother is obviously Raju's father. Then, hence, the person is Raju's sister. The person is what? Raju's sister. Okay, next question. Please write down the question. A's mother's father is the husband of B's mothers. Okay, how is A related to B? Okay, if both A and B are male. If both A and B are male. Look at the question. A's mother's father is the husband of B's mother. No. Okay, that means what? I am repeating. A's mother's father is the husband of B's mother. Means what? A's mother is sister of B. Okay, A's mother is sister of B. Hence, that fellow, hence, all the nephew of B. Okay, then the because A and B are male, so that particular question is what here? Brother or sister's son is going to be your what? Nephew. Is going to be your what? Nephew. Nephew. Next. Write down a question. In a family, there are 6 members. A to F. A to F. A to F. Point number 1. Point number 1. A is the husband of B. A is the husband of B. Husband of B. Okay. D is the son of C. D is the son of C. Who is the brother of A? Who is the brother of A? Who is the brother of A? E is the E is the E is the sister of E is the sister of E is the sister of D. E is the sister of D. B is the daughter-in-law of F. B is the daughter-in-law of F, whose husband is died. Whose husband is died. Okay, so that is there are 6 members of a family, followed by this is the information. Okay, question number 1. Question number 1. How is E related to D? Question number 1. How is E related to D? Question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Question number 1. How is E related to D? Question number 2. How is F related to C? Okay, first question, how is not E related to D? How is E related to C? Third question, how is B related to C? Fourth question, how is A related to D? Fifth question, how many male members are there? How many male members are there in the family? Okay, how many male members are there in the family? Let's try to solve this question. In a family, there are 6 members, A to F. Point number 1. A is the husband of B. So A is the husband of B. So obviously A is male, B is what here? Female. Next, D is the son of whom? C. And who is the brother of A? Means what? A and C are what? Brothers. Okay, A and C are what? Brothers. Here, son. Okay, here, husband and wife. Next, E is the sister of D. E is the sister of D. Next, what is saying? Okay, B is the daughter-in-law of F. Whose husband is died means F is what? Female. F is what? Female. Okay, so if you closely look at A and B are husband and wife, so A's mother only F. A and C are brothers, so C's mother is also F. So A and C are siblings. Okay, A and C's mother is what? F. Okay, look at the first question. How is E related to C? How is E related to C? How is E related to C? Yeah, D is son of E. So D and E are siblings. So obviously, if D is son means E is what? Daughter. Okay, next, how is F related to C? How is F related to C? F related to C is what, guys? Mother. Okay, how is F related to C? Mother. Next, how is B related to C? How is B related to C? Your brother's wife is your what? Sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. How is A related to D? How is A related to D? Where is A? A related to D. Your father's brother is your uncle. Uncle. Next, how many male members are there? So plus signs. 1, 2, 3 male members are there. How many male members are there? 3 male members are there. Okay, 3 male members are there. Next variety of questions. Please write down. Next variety of questions. Write down. Please write down, everybody. A plus B means A plus B means A plus B means okay, A plus B means A is the A plus B means plus means A is the son of B. Next, A minus B means A is the daughter of B. Daughter of B. A into B means A is the father of B. Father of B. Next, A divided by B means A is the mother of B. Now please understand the signs. Plus A is the son of B. Whenever you saw plus sign means what? It may be AB, it may be PQ, anything, but plus means what? Son. Okay, look at here. A is son of whom? B. So B is the parent, male parent or female parent, I don't know. That you should have clarity. A is the daughter of B. You know, A is daughter of whom? B. B again parent, but A is daughter. A is female. A is male in first case. Third case, into. Okay, into means what? Okay, into means what? A is the father of B. So A is the father of B. A is a parent. Okay, but B is a child. Male child or female child, I don't know. And last point, A is the mother of B. A is the mother of B. A is female. Of whom? B. Okay, A is female. So mother means what? Divided by. Okay, divided by. So you should have this clarity. Okay, next. Okay, after writing this, if the question goes like this, if M into N plus 0 minus P divided by Q, then how is M related to Q? Then let me write, then how is M related to Q? Then how is M related to Q? Your options are husband, cousin, brother-in-law, uncle, father-in-law. Okay, please try to how is M related to Q? How is M related to Q? Okay, so into means what? Multiplication means what? A is the father of B, so M is the father of whom N. Okay, plus means what? A is the son of B, so here N is the N is the A is the son of B, so N is the son of whom? O. N is the son of O. Okay, N is the son of O. Okay, N is the son of O, so I can say M and O are what? Husband and wife. Next minus O minus P means what? O minus P means what? Minus means what? A is the daughter of P, so O is the daughter of whom? P. O is the daughter of whom? P. Divided by Q. Divided by Q means A is the mother of B, so P is the mother of Q. P is the mother of Q. So look at here. So here the relation is mother. Okay, here the relation is mother. Here the relation is what? Sibling. Okay, sibling. The question is what? How is M related to Q? M related to Q. So here the relation is what? Husband and wife. How is M related to Q? Your sister. You may be male or female. Your sister's husband. Your sister's husband. Okay, your sister's husband is your what? Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Okay, brother-in-law. Let's say, so we solved. Brother-in-law is your answer. But if the question is like this, how is Q related to M is the question. How is Q related to M is the question. The moment you saw where is the Q final one, you cannot decide the final one relation, yes or no. You don't know Q is male or female, then how you are going to answer your questions? No. So if how is Q related to M? How is Q related to M? Then the answer is what? Cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. Okay, I hope you understood this question. Okay, thank you. So that's all for blood relations, guys. Please concentrate on relations. That will help you a lot. Okay, to figuring out, in so many competitive exams, blood relations will come into the picture. So please practice based on blood relations. If you took any competitive exam, blood relations will come into the picture, guys. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for being in my session. Have a great day. Thank you, guys.